Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain set part 9 in which we are going to learn about subset. What is subset? Okay. See, uh, subset. Set A is a subset of B. Say set A is a subset of B if every element, all the elements present in set A is also present in set B, and maybe A and B are equal set. Maybe A and B are equal set. We will take with a little example. Example taken as set A, sorry, set B as world. Okay, and A India. Take it as India. That means India is a subset of world. India is a subset of world. That means India is present in the world. India is present in the world. All the state, districts, cities, whatever it may be, what are present in India, it is present in world. It is present in world. Okay, like that, we will take A as 1, 2, 3 and B as 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present. Okay. So therefore A is a set of B. A is a set of B. A is a set of B. Here you will find India. Here example Australia, Europe, America. Example I am taking. I don't know where it is. Okay. America, Pakistan, Bangladesh, many countries are there. Okay. So here this world, all the countries are present in the world. All the countries are present in the world. India is also in the world. So if I am choosing India, then India is present in world. India is present in world. That means I am naming as A and world naming as B. So A is a subset of B. That means A is from the B. Here also A 1, 2, 3, B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements of A, all the elements of A are from B. All the elements are all the elements of A are from B. What the elements you have taken in A, it is present in B also. It is present in B also. Okay. So here A is a set of B. A is a set of B. We will see one more. Okay. If I am taking A is equals to 5, 4, 3, 2 and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, 5 is present, 4 is present, 3 is present, 2 is present. Therefore, A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. See, this is the sign for subset. This is the sign for subset. Okay. Now, we will take one more example. A is equals to 1, 2 and 9. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me, 1 is present, 2 is present, but 9 is missing. So A is not a subset of B. A is not a subset of B. A is not subset of B. Okay. It may be equal also. If you take the equal elements, no problem. If you are taking equal elements also, no problem. If I am taking A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to 1, 2, 3. No problem. A is a set of B. A is a set of B. And remember one thing. Here I am taking A and B. A and B. It is not necessary that you should take A and B only. What is given in the textbook, you can name it, or you can take by your own example also. Okay. But it should be capital letter. It should be capital letter. You cannot name the set with the small letters. What the name you are giving for the set, it should be capital letter. It should be capital letter. And what the elements, that means what you are writing in the flower bracket, it should be small letters or the numbers. It is called as elements. Elements should be small letters or numbers, mathematics numbers. Okay. If you are taking the English letter, it should be small letters. If you are writing the capital letter, then it is not an element. Total set will be wrong. Okay. Here clearly we understood that what the element which are present in A, it should present in B. All the elements of A should be present in B. If it is missing, if A is getting some element and that element, if one of the element is also not present in B, then it is not set, A is not set of B. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, here I am naming as A and B. You can name anything, but the first I have taken as A, second as B. That means this is first and this is the second set.
We will see one more. Okay, if I am taking A as 1, 2 and 9 and B as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is it a subset of B? No, because here it is 9, but 9 is not present in this one. So it is A is not set of B. A is not subset of B. A is not subset of B. That means clearly that all the elements which are present in A, that means set A, that means first set, it should be present in set B, it should be present in set B, it should be present in set B. If one of the element is from A, if one of the element from A is not present in B, then it is not a subset, it is not subset. Okay, what is the condition? All the element of first set should be present in second set, it should be present in second set. All the element of first set should be present in second set. Okay, hope everyone understood. Please like my videos, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.